cheat on no black woman, but you gotta prove, black woman got proof you been cheating on her, leave her ass that day. Because if she bring you back, she just gonna punish you. Black women know how to hit your soul. They do some dirty stuff like cook for just them and the kids. You go downstairs, look in the pot, ain't nothing in there. You eating all out your son's plate. She gonna come out the kitchen, I ain't know you was home. Bitch, you knew I was home. I just seen your ass in the bathroom. How you gonna cook one egg, you dirty mother? You's a dirty mother. Why you take me back if you gonna keep on punishing me? That's a dirty mother.
Slaughter Radio. Now that's hot.